Is your website going down without you knowing? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to monitor website downtime using Google Apps script log issues and Google Sheets and get instant email alerts all for free. Open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Rename it. Monitor website downtime. This will store all the website status details. Go to Extensions in a menu and click on App Script. Paste the app script code from the link in the description into the editor. Save the script by clicking the Save icon. Run the script by clicking the Run button. When you do this for the first time, authorize the script by following the prompts. After it runs, your Google Sheet will automatically update with details like website URL status, HTTP code reason, and check that if any website goes down, the script will log the details and send you an email alert. A new row will be added to your sheet every time the script detects an issue, so you'll always stay updated. If you want to run the script at specific intervals, add a trigger, then click the Add Trigger button. Under Events, Source, select Time Driven. From there, you can set a specific date in time or for testing. Select a timer. I'll choose the minutes timer option and set it to run every minute. You can adjust this based on your needs. Save a trigger, and the script will send website alerts to your email. Whenever a website goes down, and that's it in just a few steps, you've set up a fully automated website downtime tracker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments.